Today let's learn how to make pop-up follows by email and pop-up YouTube subscription on your website for free. Hello guys, this is Chogel from the channel Sir Chogel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, let's get started now. First of all, go to @this.com and click on dashboard, then click on sign up. Fill up all these boxes and make sure you click on I'm not a robot. Click on let's get started. Now you can go to @this.com/dashboard and click on tools tab. Here you have got website tools, targeting rules and email lists. All the emails which are subscribed to your website will be stored here in this my contacts folder. You can also create your own email folder here. You can come here on targeting rules tab and set up your email list builder. Click on add a new rule. Click on collect email addresses. Change the text to subscribe by email. You can also adjust here the color, font, size, boldness, etc. I think these are the third-party apps which can link with your email collection. For now, let's click here on add this. Here you have to select the folder that you want to store the email addresses and click continue. For audiences, you can select all visitors. Next, let's go to design and click on position. Here you have to choose a position in which side of your website you want to show your pop-up subscribe by email. Here you have got 5 options: center, top, bottom, bottom left and bottom right. We will discuss more about this later. Right now I am choosing center. Click continue. You can choose any layout here. I am choosing the first layout. In the color tab, choose the color you like. If you want to pick your own color, click on custom and Google as color picker. Copy your desired color code and paste here in this box. For background image, you can use any of these images or use your custom image by adding the image URL. To leave blank, you can click here on transparent color. Click continue. Let's go to the last step, behavior. Show on means when you want to show your pop-up subscribe by email. You can choose on exit or after 1 to 3 page views. Here I am choosing on exit. Redirect after email means in which link your audience to be directed after submitting their emails. For instance, if you want to give your free ebook to the visitors, you may say, "Hey guys, submit your email. You will get access to my ebook for free." In this way, you can build your email list fast. But make sure you give your best ebook or e-course so that your audience will trust you even more. The link of your ebook or e-course must paste here. I don't have any free offer, so I'm leaving it blank here. Click continue, continue, click save rule. Now copy this code and go to your blogger's layout. Paste the code in any of your gadgets. Please note that you have to paste this code only once. Any changes in the website tools and targeting rules will affect on your site accordingly. Click on the view block. This pop-up email list builder is showing on exit and while going to next step. Now let's change a little bit of position and behavior. Go to tools and click targeting rules. Click on edit here. Click design, position, change the position to top and click continue. fixed and scroll inside the behavior. Save the rule. Here you can see your email list builder at the top. In the same way, you can change the position of your pop-up email list builder to the bottom, bottom left and bottom right. Now let's design pop-up YouTube subscription. It is almost same like the pop-up email list builder. Go to tools and targeting rules. Add a new rule from here or here. This time you have to choose promote link. Paste here the URL of your YouTube channel and make sure to add question mark sub_confirmation is equal to 1 and then click continue. Replace the text with subscribe us on YouTube, and for yes please and no thanks replace with OK and later respectively. You can choose any layout from here. Choose any color. For custom image, let's add the URL of this image. This text is not that much clear. Let's change the color and make a little bit bigger. For behavior, you can choose show on after 1 to 3 page views or on exit. Here I'm choosing on exit. Click save and activate. Let's go to the site. Now the pop-up YouTube subscription is showing here. Hope this video helps you guys. If you have got any question, please leave your question in the comment box below. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.